James Mark Terry Lacuanan Ridon, born January 14, 1986, is a Filipino lawyer, broadcaster and politician who is serving as the representative of Bicol, Saro, Partylist in the Philippine House of Representatives since 2025. Previously represented Cabatan Partylist in the House of Representatives from 2013 to 2016 and served as the chairperson of the Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor PCUP under President Rodrigo Duterte from 2016 to 2017. As broadcaster, Ridon hosted the DZMM radio news commentary programs Hayball Pinoy and 8TM Anong Take Mo in between his terms in Congress. Ridon was born in Quezon City and studied at the University of the Philippines, Manila, where he earned his Bachelor of Arts degree in Development Studies in 2006 and later completed his Juris Doctor degree from the University of the Philippines College of Law in 2011.
In 2020, he completed Harvard Business School's General Management Program, a non-degree comprehensive leadership program for senior executives.
Ridon began his involvement in governance as the student regent of the University of the Philippines Board of Regents from 2007 to 2008. He subsequently served as National Campaign and Media Officer of the Cabatan from 2008 to 2010 and was elected National President from 2010 to 2013. In 2013, Ridon was elected as a representative of Cabatan in the 16th Congress of the Philippines. Serving until 2016, during his tenure in Congress, he authored and supported measures on education, youth empowerment, and social justice. From August 2016 to December 2017, he served as chairperson and chief executive officer of the Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor PCUP under the administration of President Rodrigo Duterte. In December 2017, Ridon and the other commissioners of the PCUP were dismissed over allegations of excessive foreign trips and failure to convene regular meetings. Ridon maintained that all trips were official and authorized by Malacca Gang. Following his government service, Ridon became active in policy research and media. He founded and led the public policy think tank InfoWatch PH from 2018 to 2025 and concurrently served as principal of Ridon, a private consultancy. He was also involved in media work, anchoring on DZMM 630 and DZMM Teleradio from 2018 to 2019 and hosting the public affairs program ATM Anong Take Mo on Teleradio Servicio and DWPM from 2023 to 2025. In June 2025, Ridon returned to the House of Representatives as the representative of Bicol Saro Partylist in the 20th Congress of the Philippines.
Ridon was elected chairperson of the Philippine House Committee on Public Accounts, which deals with matters directly and principally relating to the examination and scrutiny of audit reports on the performance of all government agencies, to determine their adherence to or compliance with the plans and programs authorized through appropriations approved by the legislature.
He is also the presiding chairperson of the House Infrastructure Committee, a multi-committee panel which was formed by the 20th Congress on August 21st, 2025 to investigate matters related to national infrastructure, such as public works and flood control programs. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.